I have about an hour and a half before my baby wakes up to finish organizing this last shelf in my closet. These are the Target bookshelves. They're super inexpensive. They're about 40 bucks each. This one is going to be for Lincoln's stuff. We are sharing a room until he's a bit older, but for now we're going to keep diapers, wipes, extra clothes, and things like that. I have this big box of baby stuff that's been sitting in my closet. I'm going to go through this, sort through everything, and figure out what needs to go where. I found these super cute clothing dividers on Amazon, so I'm going to put all of the clothes into their size range and hang them up. This little summer set might be the cutest outfit I've ever seen. Everything is now organized into the correct sizes. Now I'm going to cut off the tags and get them hung up. All his clothes are hung and organized. Now let's move on to the bottom shelves. These are truly the best diapers ever. They absorb so much. We think they're better than every other brand. We are stocked up on diapers, so I'm going to store all of our extras on the bottom shelf. Did anyone else not know diapers expire? What? Can't forget wipes. We go through these like crazy. Next, I'm going to store his thicker blankets and some sentimental ones in here. We have the ones that are personalized, the ones he had at the hospital. So I just want to make sure they're safe and tucked away. I'm going to cry. This is all of his little measurements from the hospital. I'm going to keep this forever. This is all just extra stuff and things for when he's a little bit older. Just show him, turn him around.
Look at this! Look at all of this!
He's so thrilled.
Woo!
All 3 shelves are done and organized, and I'm so happy with how it turned out.